Years pass.
Years pass, rooms change, pressure stay. I stay the same. Oh, yeah. I don't rise, I remain. Power steady, never strain. Yeah. They get loud, I get still. That composure, pay the bill. Oh, I don't prove, I preserve. Let time show what I earn. While they rush, I maintain. That's how authority stays. 77 way consistent, not excitement, just position. When you hold it long enough, they stop questioning the vision. I seen hype fade into stress, seen fast winds turn to mess. So I slow my pulse on purpose, let discipline do the rest. Every season test your nerve, try to see what you deserve. I don't answer every test, some silence with more than words. Power different when it's home, you don't posture, you at home. I don't need a room impressed, I need it solid when I'm gone. I learned patience, ain't passive, just control aggression. Delayed, let others burn through moments. I'm built for years, not the day. Power steady, never strain. Yeah. They get loud, I get still. That composure, pay the bill. I don't prove, I preserve. Let time show what I earn. While they rush, I maintain. That's how authority stays. I watch storms test foundations. Some structures fall from vibration. Mind reinforced with restraint. Calm decisions, no temptation. When you last people project, they confuse silence with neglect. I let them talk, let them guess. Stability speak for itself. This ain't boredom, it's command. Knowing when to hold your hand on the lever, not the wheel. Let momentum stay real. I don't chase respect or love, I build habits that survive. Authority ain't how you enter, it's how you occupy time. No retreat. Directed by Maistro. This life cinematic. Cycle 2. When power proves it can stay.